Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into full review of the iPhone 15 Plus. In this video, we'll start by unboxing the phone, then we'll cover design, display, battery life, camera, and performance, and much more. I've got a lot to share, so let's get this going. Let's go. I picked up 3 of the iPhone 15 Plus from Verizon during the holiday promo. It was too good of a deal to pass up. However, I'm still sticking with my iPhone 14 Pro Max for now. I'll explain that later in the video. For now, let's check out what's good in the box. As soon as you open the box, you are greeted by the beautiful iPhone 15 Plus. It's a moment that never gets old. Even with its large screen, it feels surprisingly light. The gentle curved edges make it really comfortable to hold. The back has gorgeous matte finish that looks sleek and feels great. It's almost silky smooth, but still has enough grip so it doesn't feel slippery. Next up, we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Apple made the switch to USB-C with this generation. And that's about it. No charging brick included. So if you don't have one, you're probably gonna have to pick one up. And here's some documentations and Apple sticker. Let's talk about the size of the iPhone 15 Plus. This is a big phone. And if you're someone who likes a large display, this is the right one for you. The iPhone 15 Plus comes with 6.7-inch display, which gives you plenty of screen real estate, whether you're watching videos, browsing web, or playing games. Everything feels more immersive on display this size. Now it's time to set it up. Let's quickly walk through the process together. It's super simple and straightforward. Press and hold the power button on the side until you see the Apple logo. Once power on, you'll be greeted by the hello screen on multiple languages. Just swipe up to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your language and a country. After that, you can either set it up the phone manually or use a quick start. If you have another Apple device nearby, quick start is the easiest way to transfer your data, settings, and even your app from your older phone. Just bring it closer to your new iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions. Since Apple devices aren't cheap, I want to make sure this lasts for years. That's why I'll be using good screen protector and heavy-duty phone case. I will have a link in the description box below. Please do check it out. The Dynamic Island, it's a seamless way to manage background activities. For example, if you're using a timer or recording a voice memo, the Dynamic Island keeps that information accessible at top of your screen. I've been using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and at first I wasn't a big fan of it. But over time, I come to appreciate its advantages. I've covered the Dynamic Island in more details in my iPhone 14 Pro Max video. I will leave a link in the description box below. The main camera now features a 48 megapixel sensor, which is a significant upgrade from previous models. This allows for incredible detailed photos, whether you are shooting in a bright daylight or low light conditions. You'll notice sharper images with more vibrant and better contrast. Another great addition is a new 2x optical zoom, which gives you more flexibility when framing your shot. It's perfect for capturing those distant details without losing clarity. You can easily switch between the ultra wide, wide, and 2x zoom lenses with just a tap. Here are some example shots I took with the iPhone 15 Plus. Video recording has also seen some improvements. You can now shoot 4K HDR videos, which looks stunning with rich colors and smooth motion. The stabilization is a top notch. Even if you are filming on the go, your video will come out looking smooth and professional. One thing to note is that iPhone 15 Plus does not have ProRAW or ProRes video recording, but for the most users, the standard photo and video quality will be more than enough for everyday use. The iPhone 15 Plus is equipped with the A16 Bionic chip, which is absolutely a powerhouse. Built on a 4nm process, it features a 6-core CPU with 2 performance core and 4 efficiency core, along with the 5-core GPU. So what does that all mean? In simple terms, it means everything on the iPhone is faster and more responsive. Overall, this is a solid upgrade, especially if you are coming from older models. The improvements in the camera quality, battery life, and addition of features like Dynamic Island makes a great option for most users. But should you upgrade? If you're using iPhone 12 or older, the iPhone 15 Plus will feel like a big step up. You'll notice an enhanced performance, better battery life, and of course the camera improvements. It's definitely worth considering. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I currently have the iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm really happy with it. So I won't be switching to the iPhone 15 Plus. However, my kid has iPhone 8, so the iPhone 15 Plus will be a fantastic upgrade. And my wife, who has iPhone 12, will also be upgrading to iPhone 15 Plus. At the end of the day, the iPhone 15 is an awesome device that offers a lot what makes the Pro models great without the Pro price tag. If you're in the market for a new iPhone and want something big, beautiful screen, excellent battery life, and strong performance, you won't be disappointed with this one. There's a lot more to the iPhone 15 Plus that I couldn't cover in this video because I wanted to keep the video short. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.